Hi there everyone, this is a Kenmore Whispertone vacuum cleaner. It's got a 12 amp motor, power path system, 4 height adjustment, which do actually pretty well work. Kenmore Whispertone. The light bulb is non-existent anymore, it just doesn't work. It's got the bare floors. Here, you can't see that. Bare floors and this is bare floors down there. Pulls the belt down with a pulley. Then this is carpets. It is a Kenmore model 116. No. Okay, here's the serial number. D13332644. That's the model number. The bulb that it takes, I could use that. 205240. The belt is 205275. And the bag is 20-50688. So yeah. It's got its... I can't see these. It's got its floor thing that you just go along the bare floor with, which is actually pretty interesting, but it's useless basically because it's so small. Here's the dusting brush. They're really soft, so I don't know. They'd be good for dusting, but if you're trying to use it on upholstery, they're not going to get anything out of it. Here's the extension wand, which does have a pretty good extender to it. Hold on. It locks in place better than say a Bissell would, because Bissell extension wands that's one downside of the Bissell extension wand is how well they lock in place. So there's that. And here's the Crevice Tool. I like that. That's pretty, like when it narrows out, that means there's more suction at the tip if it's more narrow. So this one does pretty well. But Bissell is still my main vacuum. I honestly cannot find any other vacuum maker that I would want to buy other than Bissell. Maybe a Shark, but yeah, a Shark, because I've seen reviews on them and they are actually pretty good vacuums. But a Dyson, they're worse than a Shark and they're way more expensive. Why would I want one? Seriously. So, here's the power switch. Oh yeah, and I'll show you the bag before I get started on the vacuuming task. So, it's a pretty old bag. I can't find anywhere to buy it. So, all I do is like pull the hair out after I'm done with it. I need a new bag here, but all I can find them is online, and I really want to buy them inside of a store, so. It's got the older Sears, where it has the lines through it. Then it has the older Kenmore, because the newer Kenmore is more rounded, if you could say like that. It's a bag type U. Right there. Oh yeah, and here's the old belt. This was on it since the day it was made. When I got it from a co-worker of my parent, they said that they had never replaced a belt and never needed to. So, but I looked at it, it's really stretched out. So it wasn't picking up much from the carpet, and it also smelled like almost dirty feet when it spun. And it made the vacuum stink, actually. There's no HEPA filter, but in this vacuum there is a soft, cushiony filter down here, which does catch a pretty good amount, because this bag does not catch everything. And if I, hold on, just let me stick that down in the vacuum for a second. And, hold on, let me put it further down. There we go. And this right here is a filter too, right there. So now let's get to vacuuming. But I have to say, the bag helps with allergies, because it's not spitting out crap. Because even though Bissells are good vacuums, they're not really airtight systems, so they do spit out a few ounces of dust. Not dirt, but dust. In reviews that are for Dysons or stuff, they make it sound like other vacuum brands just spit all the dirt they catch out, even though it's just the dust. So, okay, here we go. It is a great vacuum. It leaves fabulous carpet lines. As you can see right there. You can even see where the bristles are digging in, which is really, really awesome. And it does fluff up the carpet. And I learned this one simple thing from a TV show. If you bang on it and you don't see any dust rise, that means the vacuum's getting all the ingrown dust. And I don't see any dust. The camera may be picking up the shadow of my hand as dust, but I can reassure you there's no dust coming up. Also, it has this metal handle, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm about to end this video. So this Kenmore Whispertone made by Panasonic for Sears. Don't know what year it was made, but I haven't seen a review about this exact one online, so I wanted to put one up. And out of 5 stars, I would give this a 4.9. The only thing that brings it down, honestly, is it could use an extra foot of cord length. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.